Hi everyone, this is Mavelin Japulit, this IT2A. Welcome to this new video of 2.7.1 Skills Integration Challenge examining packets. Here's a topology diagram. Under the complete standard lab topology is provided as starting point. In the topology, you can see here the devices R1, thus ISP, R2 dash central, ACE1 dot central, PC1A, PC1B, and you can see also the interface, the IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway. The IP address is in every devices are all here already. So let's proceed to the objectives. Learning objectives. Complete the topology, add simple videos in real-time mode, analyze videos in simulation mode, experiment with the model of the standard setup. In the first task of the activity is complete the topology. Add PC to workspace, configure it. The following parameters: IP address 172.168.172, subnet mask 255.255.0.0, default gateway 172.168. That's 255.255 for the NE server is 192.168.254. And let's add PC1B. And let's use the straight through cable. Plus Ethernet 0, 1, 2 in the, and let's change the name into 1B. And let's check the IP configuration. And this is the IP configuration of PC1A. The IP address is 172.168.1.1, subnet mask 255.255.0.0, gateway default 172.168.255.254, and the DNS server is 192.168.254.254. And let's check the result here. So you can see here we have already 2 points for the completed items. So next task is add simple videos in real-time mode. Wait until switch light are green. So here you can see it's already green. Using the add simple videos, send the test message between PC1B and Eagle server. Note that this packet will be appear in the lower right as the user created. Video can be manipulated for testing purposes. So the first time you should is short pin message, it will show as failed. This is because of the art process will be explained later. Then double click the file. Here's the file. Then videos Windows send the single test of the pin. Second time this thing will be successful to the fire next task. So the next task is analyze videos and simulation mode packet tracing. So here, let's click this one. Then as you can see here, the captured forward. So here, switch to simulation mode. Use a captured forward button to the movies through packet through the network. So let's close this one. And let's try to click the envelope. And then you can see here, the result of TTL is 32. And next, and next. So the destination IP address is 162.172.16.254.1 and the TTL is 32. And let's also check for the PC. So it's invalid. So let's try this one. So you can see here also the IP destination is 172.1.1.132. And here also. Let's see. So let's check the result. So you can see here it's still nothing changed. So let's run square video. In task 4, experiment will be model standard lab set at the standard lab set will consist 2 routers, 1 switch, 1 server, and 2 PCs. Each of these devices is pre-configured. Try to get the different combination of these packets and analyzing this journey networks. Okay. So let's try to configure this. Times IP. So let's put the IP address or PCMB to submit and default gateway. And the then is server. Then is server. and then the server is 192.168.54. Okay. So let's check. So the activity is completed. So here's the assessment. So the total points of 6 over 6 points. So this activity is completed. That's all. Thank you.